Hi team, what's up? Before we start with the dance workout, we start with a little warm-up, find a nice and wide stance, and we start to bounce. Here we go. Yes, nice and easy. Enjoy the music, find the groove. Let's add a head move. Look from right to left, right, center, left, center, right. Good. 4, 3. Let's look up and down. Here we go. Up and down. Don't forget the bounce. Shoulders soft. Let's tilt the head from right to left. Here we go. Right, center, left. Nice and easy. Try to pull your ear to your shoulder. 3, 2. Let's slow it down, team. We look down, come back. Now tilt to the right, look up. Tilt to the left. Now reverse, look down. Tilt to the left. Look up. Tilt to the right. Control the movement, double time. Here we go. Down, right, up, left, reverse. Long neck. And breathe. Find the bounce in your legs. Good work. 4, 3, 2. Let's move the shoulders back, back. 4, 3. Let's make the move a little bit bigger. The elbows are pulling to the back. Open your chest nice and wide. And breathe. 4, 3. Let's reverse the movement. Shoulders to the front. Ha, ha. 4, 3. Enjoy the movement. Come on, let's make the movement a little bit bigger. Dive into it. Woo! Let's go. 4, 3. Let's move the hips from back to the front. Back. I show you the movement from the side double time. Good. Front, back, front. Let's add the arms. Grab and pull. Grab, pull, grab, pull. 4, 3, 2. Let's move the hips from right to left. So right, center, left, center. Nice and easy. 4, 3, 2. Double time and add your arms. Cross, open. 4, 3, 2, and shake it out. Good team. I hope you feel warmed up. Let's continue with the dance part. Today we will switch between dance moves and dance workout, and we start with the first step. So I will build up the moves with you, and afterwards we will put them together into a nice choreography. Let's start with a step touch. Step, touch, step, touch. Nice and easy. So you have left, right, right, left. So I'm working mirror inverted for you. I hope you can easily follow. Good. Step, touch, step, touch. You can use your knees out, in, out, in, out, in to add a little bit of Afro style if you want to. So keep your heels slightly in the air. Good. Ha. Step, touch. Good. I show you a little variation with the arms. So we have long arm, elbow, long arm, elbow. I slow it down for you. So we have step, touch, long arm, twist away, elbow punch, long arm, elbow, step, touch. Take your time. If the arms are too much for you, skip the arms and just concentrate on the feet movements. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I twist away from my extended arm. 5, 6, double time. Good. Ha. Use your knees if you want to. Just an option. Woo! Shoulders low, enjoy the move. So this is the first part of our first move. Try to memorize all the movements we're gonna do today. So 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, another 8, 8, 7, 6. Good. Let's walk it out. So right, left, right, left. Just walk. A little recovery here. Walk, walk, right, left. Let's add some arms. So cross. Tap to your shoulders, open. Tap to your hips, and open again. Shoulders, open, hips, open. Double time. Let's try. Open, cross, open. And this, team, is our second part of our first move. 4 more. 3. Let's bring both parts together. We have 2 step touches and we walk it out. Let's go, team. Step touch. Now walk it out. 4, 3, back to step touch. 1, 2, 3. Walk it out. Let's slow it down for you. So we have step, touch, step. Now walk with the left first. Left, right, left. Another one slowly. So twist away, elbow. Extend the same arm, elbow. Let's walk. 4, 3. Ready? Let's try double time. Here we go. Step, touch. Woo, walk it out. 4, 3, 2. Again. 4, 3, 2. Walk it out. 4, 3, 2. Good. Let's come back into the bouncing from the warm-up, active recovery. So let's try our first movement to the other side, okay? So we start to the right. So we have step, touch, walk it out. I do it slowly for you. Step, touch, step. Now walk with the right. Right, left, right. Come on, let's speed it up. 1, 2, 3, walk. 4, 3, 2. Let's start to the right. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Last one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Relax. Good work. That was our first dancing move. Now let's switch to workout. We have a wonderful arm and shoulder workout. So we start with the upper body. This is our first move. Open, extend, bend, and bring the forearms together. Come with me when you're ready. Up, bend, bring it together. Good. Find a shoulder width stance. Legs slightly bent, core is activated. Shoulders are moving away from the ears. Keep it here, pulse it up. Let's go. Up, up. Now, try to keep your upper arms parallel to the ground. Don't work here. Bring it up. The last. 4, 3. Now open to the side. Pulse. Up, up. Palms are looking forward. Woo. Come on, you can do it. Long neck. 4, 3. Let's bring both movements together. So bring it together and open. Ha. Come on, squeeze your forearms together in front of your face. 4, 3, 2. Last round here. Relax, check it out. Good, team. This was our first round for the shoulders and our muscles. Shake it out and then come back into a shoulder width stance. Straighten your pelvis, core is engaged. And let's do it from the top. Here we go. Open, extend. Don't forget to breathe. Strong arms, strong shoulders. Woo! Half time is over. Come on. Open. Up. Squeeze. Last one. Hold your forearms together. Pulse it up. Let's go. Up. Up. Make sure this is not happening. Bring your elbows together. Squeeze it. Shoulders low. 8, 7, 6. Good work. 3, 2. Open your arms to the side. Pulse. Up. Up. Don't work here. Elbows are bent at a 90-degree angle. 4, 3. Bring both movements together. So close and open. Pulse it out. Come on. Keep up the good work. You can do it. 8, 7, 6, 5. Come on, squeeze it together. and relax. Woo, awesome. This was a burner for the shoulder muscles. So let's come back to the dancing part. So we repeat our first move. You remember the step touch. So slowly we have step, touch, step. Now walk it out. 4, 3. Touch your hips and open. Again slowly. Step, touch, step, touch. Walk it out. 4, 3. Guys, ready? Speed it up. Here we go. Step, touch, walk it out. Again. Huh. 2 more like this. Huh. Last one. Now, come back into the step touch, but this time we soften the step touch. So we go down, up, down, up. So we're still doing a step touch, but a little variation of it. So do it soft. So the arms, dive, dive, dive. Good. Careful, you want to play. Woo! Keep going, guys. Good. 4, 3. Come down and up. Let's move forward. 4, 3, 2. Backwards. 4, 3. It's still a step touch. Head your arms. 4, 3, 2. Move backwards. 4, 3. Let's do a little variation. So 4 step touch forward. 4 steps backwards. Count with me. 4, 3, 2. Come back. Step touch. Move. Ha. Move. 4 steps backwards. 4, 3, 2. Have a look. Dive. Dive. Move forward. Now have a look. Up, down, up, down. Let me show you this movement slowly. So we have up, down, up, down. So what I'm going to do here is I extend my legs and bend. So I come up and down. And I'm pushing my booty out to the left and to the right. Automatically, my heel is coming out and in, out, in, out, in. So stretch, bend, double time, up, down, woo. Imagine there's someone standing next to you and you push the person away with your booty. Come on, out, in. 4, 3, let's combine it with a step touch. Move forward, dive. 4, 3, 2, backwards, 4 steps. Up, down, up. Come back to the front. 4, woo. Backwards, up, down. Use your knees if you want to. Open, close. Yes, step backwards. So let's do 2 step touches through the front. Only 2. 1, 2, 3, backwards. 5, 6, 7, forward. 1, 2, 3, backwards. 5, 6. Again. Woo! Hey! Step. Good. Last one. Come back into the bounce. Ooh, catch your breath. Let's start everything from the beginning, but to the other side. Step touch, 2 to the front. Let's go. Right, left, step. 1, 2, forward. 1, 2, back. Up, down, down. Up, down. Last one. And come back into the bounce. Woo, catch your breath. Oh. Now, let's do a little leg workout. Come into a split stance. We bend and stretch the legs for 2. Here we go. 1, 2, up for 2. Good. Catch your breath. Make sure your front knee stays above your heel. Shoulders remain above the hips. 4 more to go. So down, down. Bend both legs. Your back heel is in the air. And down, down. Last one. Stay low. Now let's lift and lower the front heel. Let's go. Up and down. Power in your calf muscles here and in your front thighs. Come on, team. 4 more. Chest is opened. 2 more. Bring your back knee to your chest. Speed. Hop, hop. Good. Little cardio workout to boost your fat metabolism. 4 more. 3. Let's do a little variation. Try to stick your heel to your buttock. Butt kick. Hop, hop. Slightly hinge forward like a runner. Good. Breathe. 8, 7, 6, 5. Use your arms, they help you. Relax, shake it out. Let's switch over to the other side. And we come back down into the lunge and extend your legs for 2 counts. 1, 2, up for 2. So your back knee almost kisses the ground. Down, down. Stay upright so you really get the power out of your front thigh muscle. Down, down, up, up. Now stay low. Let's lift and lower the front heel. Ready? Activate the core to find and maintain your balance. Good. Straighten your pelvis. Don't arch. Stay here. Just 2 more. Now hinge forward, back knee to your chest. Go. Ha. Breathe. Shoulders low. 4 more. 3, 2. Let's move on with the butt kick. And ha. Try to stick your heel towards your buttocks to activate your hamstrings, the muscles at the back of your leg. 3, 2. March it out and catch your breath. Woo, awesome. This was a leg killer. So breathe in, out, in. Out through your mouth. Last time in through the nose. Out through the mouth. If you liked what you've seen so far, then finish this dance workout in my online studio over here or continue with one of my free dance workouts here on YouTube. I'm so excited to see you at the next dance party.